have a question. I was the middle of February of this year. I was pulled over for DUI in Shelby County. First-time offender. I've never even had a parking ticket in my early 50s. And I guess my question is, I hired a friend of mine who's an attorney who got me put on I think it's called the Deferred Prosecution Program, where I had to attend like 4 Saturday classes, 6 hours long. I had to go to, I went to a church for, I think it was 4 meetings, and I paid my fines, paid for my books, and so forth. First of all, a lot of the people in my class had got just a public defender and got them basically the same thing that my attorney I paid a couple of $1,000s for got me. My real question is, I got arrested in February. I didn't get my first court date until September. Now it's coming up at the end of December. I finished everything, classes and so forth, and I'm unemployed. I'm in sales, so I'm trying to get a job. The problem is that some of the companies I had an interview are requiring me to go to a couple of weeks of training out of state. Up in Chicago is one company, the other was in Dallas, Texas. That's going to be hard for me to explain because I have to call in for a color code every day. My question is also, is there a way, and my attorney's checked into this, but I haven't heard anything back yet, is there a way you can get out? My next court date is the first part of March, where I won't have to call in the color code 7 days a week. I'm trying to get out of this a little bit early because it is hurting my chances of getting a job. So I would appreciate any advice that you guys can give me.
Well, the only thing I could think of would be to have your attorney petition the judge and tell him what a hardship this has been, and that possibly the judge could say, well, you've done real well, and at this point, given it is a hardship, job's hard to find. He may cut you some slack on that, but that's what you would have to do. You'd have to get your attorney to approach him.